I've had a nice day. I've ridden around. Today alone, I've been on Masa Road, Thika Road mpaka Kasarani, and Karen mpaka where the bypass meets Kikuyu. It's Kikuyu, yeah? So I've had a nice day because I've ridden around a lot. I've been all over the place. All over the place. I ran out of fuel on Thika Road. So I had to turn, you know, the fuel thing. I had to turn the fuel cork. I had to turn the fuel cork without stopping, because I was right on Thika Road. You can't stop, but suddenly the power cuts out, and you're like, okay, so now what? So yeah, I turned the fuel cork, and then power came back. I didn't know you could do it while you were moving. I thought you always had to stop. But I guess they place it in that position so that you can actually do it when you're moving. Yeah, so that's what I've done today. Kinyot market. Oh, I can smell the nyama choma. Oh. Woo! Yeah. It's nice, huh? Oh gosh, this guy's brake's even working. Oh, don't like that junction. It's too dangerous. It's too dangerous, man. Too dangerous. What? Too dangerous, man. Why is there a bump here? It's quite an odd place to place it. Such a badly taken corner. Oh, whoa! Look at Wangare Madai. I fuel save. Do you fuel save? You think it works? You can see there. I know this guy! Yo! Yo! This guy has a fake number plate. Look at his... Can you see his number plate? His number plate is fake. That means the bike is stolen. I'm not one to judge. What's happening here? Oh. Alright, alright, alright. Whoa, red rims. Did you see those rims? Pimp my ride, bro. What's going on here? No, right turn. Ah. No right turn there. What that will do, it will be instrumental in increasing the speed that we can go at on Ngong Road, because Ngong Road is so dangerous for a lane splitting motorcycle. It's really dangerous because there's so many roads that cross Ngong Road. If you're not careful, you're just gonna hit someone, or you might hit something. Yay! Oh look, a black Ranex. I've always wanted one. If I was to ever buy a car, if I ever make enough money to buy a car, imagine I want a black Ranex. I think they're so cool and practical. They're not like crazy out of this world cars like Mach X's. These guys for ice cream still exist. You can see him. It's cool, eh? Is it still 30 bob? Or has inflation hit it seriously? It's probably more expensive now. I think a cone used to be 30 bob. This was like 10 years ago. Maybe more than 10, maybe 15 years ago. When I was young. They used to come after church and we'd buy. Or rather, we'd go and ask our parents. We'd be like, come on, please, please mom, I want ice cream, please. And then she'd give us 30 bob and then we'd go and buy. Yeah. Hey, sour bro. He looks like the Egyptian Jack Bauer. Guys, look, a fight. Oh, look, a fight. Maybe it's playful. Do you think it's playful? I don't know. I saw you. I saw you. I saw those guys pissing in the bushes.